Hey beauties, today I will be showing you how I decorated these Dollar Tree candles for Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoy. I will only be using my Cricut cutting machine, 651 Oracle vinyl, and the Dollar Tree candles. I chose this gold vinyl so that the saying wouldn't be apparent to those that looked at the candle. And that is how I decorated my Dollar Tree candles for Valentine's Day. So what do you think? Leave a comment down below. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And for more videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay ambitious.